gonna just do a brief unboxing of my online purchase. So this is my Christmas gift to myself. So let's start it. This is a big box, you can see. So actually my husband already opened this one, I mean, out of curiosity. So we'll see. And place it back. It's kind of hard. Very excited too. So this is my Christmas gift from YSL. Let's see. I'm really excited. This is my Christmas gift to myself. You know, self-love. So this is how they packed it. And then I don't know, there's like a serial number on the box. And the box is very sturdy. I bought this Saint Laurent YSL clutch, the Uptown. It's up there. I don't know if you can see it. Here you go, close to my Burberry. So the box is a little bit small. So these are the additional content of the package. It's like a message for myself. Happy birthday and advance Merry Christmas. You definitely deserve this bag. You are very hardworking and loving to your family. Don't be too hard on yourself. Keep soaring. Connie. And then it's like the bag itself, what's inside. If you need to return this. This is like how to return it, and then a thank you card from them. So that's what's inside the back package. Saint Laurent, there's like a serial number, and then this, you know, the sticker, and open it, and then the dust bag. See, it's so neat. And then inserts. Let's see what's inside. Oh wow! Oh wow! I thought it was pink, but it's nude. That's so cute. Silver hardware. Now the tag. Let's open it. Let's just open it. Sorry, I got only one hand to open it. And the care card. So as you can see, and brand name, card, packet. There's a back packet also. There's also a back packet. This is the strap. What I bought is this is a YSL Lou Belt Bag, but You can also use this as convertible crossbody bag. Happy. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy it, and if you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel, Connie Lagura, and click on the notification bell for more updates. You can also follow me on my Instagram, Colette Connie, for more unboxing, travel vlogs, fashion, and also reviews. Okay, bye bye. See ya.